So I'm going to do a review here of the new Subway Lavash Flatbread Honey Mustard Chicken Wrap. And we got the classic Raspberry Cheesecake Cookies here as well. So anyway, these are new wraps. They also got other flavors. I believe they got like a Caesar, a Chipotle or something. They got like 4 flavors. As you know, I love honey mustard, so my mom got this for me for dinner. So we're going to try it here. It does have tomatoes on it, but oh well, I can eat the tomatoes. It's actually really good. Now, I don't know if they discontinued the other wraps. I don't know if they did, or they might have just they're going to have 2. But I usually get wraps at Subway anyway. So this is really cool. Let's have a Raspberry Cheesecake Cookie here. Classic here. Love Raspberry Cheesecake Cookies. My favorite. Guess they might be trying to copy Jersey Mike's or something, because Jersey Mike's does a wrap that's similar to this. If you remember, I had Jersey Mike's back in Williston, Vermont, which is not that far from me, but my cousin had an appointment. We went there, and I went to Jersey Mike's for the first time, but I actually don't have to travel that far anymore because there's one just opened near me. I'll be trying their food soon again, but not a big fan of Jersey Mike's. But anyway, I think this is what they're trying to like compete with Jersey Mike's or something, I guess. I don't know. I give this like an 8 out of 10. It's actually pretty good.